Kuzuzam Bola Namaste. Good morning to all respected online viewers. Long live their majesties, long live our leaders, and long live our friendship. Welcome to this online yoga and Ayurveda sessions, Embassy of India, Timpu, ICCR's Nehru Wangchuk Cultural Centers. I'm yoga teacher KV SSN Murthy here. So I would like to recite the actual stotra from the Amruta Sanjeevani Dhanvantari Stotra, the total schedule. अमृत संजीवनि धन्वंतरी स्तोत्रम मृत्युद्धूरत पलायते नमो नमो विश्व विभावनाय नमो नमो लोक सुख प्रदाय नमो नमो विश्व सृजेश्वराय नमो नमो मुक्ति वर प्रदाय. So it's a great attribution to Lord Dhanvantari, who is a form of Lord Sri Vishnu and also father of our Ayurveda session. In this stotra it is saying that he is the one who is the creature, created the whole world. Then coming to our Ayurveda workshop. So before last week we saw gas troubles. Last week we saw fatty liver and liver issues. And this week we are seeing another very important schedule called ulcers. As we know that ulcers is a man-made mistake. Because of our negligence, actually we are getting this kind of imbalance in the intestine. That's a over acid layer formed in many parts like belly or duodenal or intestinal or peptic. So based on the position of the ulcer, the names are different. But please remember, for any kind of ulcer, first instruction is for all. Do not avoid your medical checkups, or please always go for your regular medical checkups and always try to be in touch with your physician and doctors. Then second, coming to the food preparations, if you will be on the fasting, and that is so good, but in the fasting time, so we have to see that our internal chemical composition should not be spoiled because of the fasting, so that we have to maintain the same balancing inside. We have today three important liquids. Liquid diet always preferable for the people who are suffering from the ulcers. But avoid alcohol, avoid smoking, and avoid non-vegetarians till you will be recovered. Avoid non-vegetarians and avoid all pungent foods and avoid tamarind related diets and soy related diets. Then first important thing is, see that belly should be always clean. Mouth to belly should be always clean. In Ayurveda as well as in yoga also we have good techniques to clean mouth to abdomen called Vamana Dhauti or Kunjala Dhauti. So at least weekly twice please perform that after learning from your yoga teacher, that Vamana Dhauti. As well as we have some of the mudras and bandhas to clean the abdomen, to fit your abdomen. So please learn those techniques also through the yoga exercises from your traditional yoga teacher. But still we have simple preparation. Do not drink hot waters, don't drink cool waters. So always try to drink warm water. Please remember, warm water is very important. So this is very simple and effective remedy. Before going to your breakfast or lunch or dinners, so always try to take 1 liter water every day. Please take at least 2 to 3 liters of water. That is suggested before meals. First drink the water and allow some time for cleaning. Then after that add fresh food. Then second thing is, if you have no diabetes, if you have no sugar complaints, then take 2 or 3 sugar cubes and add in the water. Then here also mix it properly and drink this water. This is also simple and effective combination, but do not add more sugar. Again, sugar will create somewhat acidic imbalance. So see the preparation and proposition how you are doing the sugar water. Then third important today's wonder drug is honey water. The people who wants to get rid of this ulcer, as well as the people who wants to be very alert that not getting this ulcers, please remember weekly once or twice, if you will be fasting on the water, if you will fasting or remaining food, please drink this honey water. in a regular interval. So take 3 to 4 teaspoons of the honey and mix in the water and repeatedly drink this water. So this will give you energy, then as well as it is very good for your abdomen layers. And this is also like, again, if you have diabetes or sugar complaints, then take care of the portions how you are taking. So take like a very small teaspoon, and I'm showing. All right. And your preparation is ready. Right. So in a day, like if you will take only like a glass of water with honey, then after 1 hour to 1 or 2 hours time plain water, again 1 or 2 hours, after 1 or 2 hours honey water. So if you will really keep these two portions, one is honey water, one is plain water, and one is honey water and plain water. So your abdomen basically it will clean. Also it is giving proper rest for your abdomen, and it is controlling the acid influences inside the body. But please take advice from your physician as well as yoga teacher also. Right, coming to our yoga practices, as we know that every body has a special design, so that in this regarding in gas troubles or fatty liver as well as this ulcer issues also, so every person has a separate body, so that maybe not even single posture will not what I'm trying to say is, one person can feel good in the one posture. The same posture may not good for the other people. So that is based on your physical condition, that based on your physical structure and body weight, we have to compose yoga exercises. But today just I'm giving like a overall dictate. This is for all. Again, this is very simple and effective practices. And our sun salutations will be our regular practices in our regular yoga workout. And take a long, deep, slow inhalation and exhalation, and very slowly wide your both the arms, lift your both the arms, and keep your palms together, place them at the chest. Then coming to mantra abhyas and sloka abhyas. Om hiranmayena patrena satyasyapi hitam mukham tattvam pushan apavrunu satya dharmaya dustaye. Om hram hrim hrum hraim hraum raha mitra ravi surya bhanu kagabusna hiranya garbha maricha aditya savitra arka bhaskaraya namaha. Then very slowly open your both the arms and lift your both the arms. Then relaxedly just bend back. Then after that, then very slowly come straight. Then slowly bend the body forward, forward bending. And right leg must be your back leg. And push your body forward, lift your chin up. And from there, next exercise will be Asva Sanchalanasana, horse riding posture, and just lift your back leg to join your forward leg to back. Again stay for a while, Dandasana. From here, then completely press the body down, Ashtanga Namaskarasana. And from there, lift the body up, Bhujangasana, lift the chin up. And from there, mountain triangular posture, Parvatasana. And again, right leg must be your forward leg, Asva Sanchalanasana. Again, few seconds stay. Then back leg straight. Then back leg join forward leg, Pada Hastasana. And lift your both arms and body at a time up, Hasta Uttanasana. Then very slowly keep your palms together and bring them down at your chest, Pranamasana. And very slowly lift your both arms and wide your arms. Release the posture and relaxation. And our next coming exercises will be like suitable for all the people. So I am not giving any advanced practices. The advanced practices may be useful for few people who are having flexibility, but the many people will not get benefit. So that in our online classes, always we are seeing that very simple and very effective practices that can be useful to everyone. Today also, in regarding gas troubles, in regarding fatty liver, in regarding our ulcer issues, we have common problem called constipation. Every day see that your abdomen must be clean. Your abdomen must be clean twice a day, not once a day, twice a day. So that try to drink more water, limit your diet, and if possible do not take non-vegetarians, and minimize your carbohydrate diets, as well as try to take more fiber diet. Then please see that your food must be overcooked, not the raw vegetables, or not the half boiled. It's a full boiled or over boiled. So see that food must be like a paste, so that it will be digest easily and it will not create further problems because of acid influences inside the belly. And here the next coming 4 posters, Tadasana series. This is actually to create the free motion. So after drinking water early morning, please perform these 4 posters, at least 4 posters. In this series we have 6 to 8 posters, but first 4 posters will be very simple and very easy. Then keep your body straight, take a long, deep, slow inhalation and exhalation. Then wide your both the arms. Then lift your both the arms and interlock your fingers. Then after that twist and pull the arms up and completely give a strain on the body with your arm pulling, with your shoulder stretch. Just pull yourself up and stay now. 1, only 5 seconds, stay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then very slowly turn your palms inside, then very slowly widen your both the arms, then very slowly rest and relaxation. Okay, take just long pause. So for every physical ailment, the actually source of the physical ailment is the mind and in our thoughts. So always try to be very clear in your thoughts. Don't go for over stress and over jealous also, because every thought has its own energy to create, to pump some negative effects on the physical body. Even our abdomen problems also not because of the physical problem, it's because of our mind, over anger, over stress, over jealous. All these are basic components to create bad on the body. And okay, our next posture will be the same exercise, Tadasana, but lifted heels variation. Here also keep your body straight, then open your both the arms, lift your both the arms up, then interlock your fingers, twist your interlock arms, then try to lift your heels up as well as pull the body up and stay for a while. So as long as if you are continuing in this posture like 10 to 15 seconds, you can be in this posture, but throughout the practice, concentration at your lower abdomen and the abdomen. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And very slowly turn your palms and heels down and keep your palms rest on the head, and very slowly widen your both the arms, release the posture, relaxation. Alright, again quick relaxation step. So based on your pain in the abdomen, because of ulcers, many people having pain also inside the abdomen. Based on the pain, based on the position, please see that don't do more tough exercises which is creating compression or pressing on the abdomen. So initially the people who are getting pain because of ulcers or any other issues, do not create more hard postures. So this Tadasana will not create any harm on the abdomen. So very simple, this is only for stretching and turns on. Okay, coming to Tadasana 2, Tiryak Tadasana. Here also in between your both the legs create like equal space or 1 feet distance. Then keep your body straight. Then long, deep, slow inhalation. Wide your both the arms. Then after that, then very slowly lift your both the arms up and interlock your fingers. Twist your arms towards your right side. Turn the body at any convenient angle. Stay for a while. So no need to go for more turning or more squeezing. So 45 degree or 90 degree angle enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, and very slowly come back. 5 with relaxation. Once, relax your arms and the breath. After that, same thing, change your style. The same thing, completely pull up and towards your left side 90 degree angle. Again, stay now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and very slowly come back. Release the posture and relaxation. Long, and slow and a deep inhalation and exhalation. Then very slowly widen your both the arms and keep your both the palms together and down. Release and relaxation. Long and slow pause, inhalations and exhalations. Then today's third posture will be like a Parshvatadasana or side bending posture. So here legs must be apart. So like 2 feet to 3 feet distance or any convenient distance. So widen your both the arms, lift your both the arms up. Here also I am not going to bend more so that do not overstrain the body when you are practicing. Lift your both the arms towards your right side, give a slight bend and stay. So altogether we are creating stretching and turns on the abdomen only. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, then come back. One quick relaxation. Opposite side, same thing, completely give a bend and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and very slowly come back. Release the posture and release relaxation. Very slowly widen your both the arms. Release the posture, relaxations. Enough. Again, long and slow and deep inhalation and exhalation. And today's our last posture, easiest posture will be Udara Kara Asana, or very simple abdomen turning posture. So here also in between your legs, create any convenient angle distance. Then open your both the arms on the side stretch. So your left side, give a small turn and few seconds stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then very slowly come back, inhalation and give your palms down. One long pause, inhalation and exhalation. Opposite side, same thing, change your arm style towards your right side, turn the body and 4 seconds stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then very slowly come back, release the posture and relaxation. Very slowly come back. Here, keep your the next. Basically, these 4 exercises. Like in the early morning after drinking water, 1 liter or 1.5 liter or at least some water or drinking some water, then do these simple exercises for at least 15 minutes time till you are going to toilet. Remember, in a day more than you are eating, so cleaning the abdomen also very important. Please remember that. First clean the abdomen, after that create hunger, after that add new food. This is actually process. So it is not that timely taking food is it's not suitable to everyone. First of all, if you have any abdomen troubles, especially gas troubles or fatty liver or diabetes or ulcer issues, first clean the abdomen, then after that add new create hunger, after that add new food. Plus we have good pranayama exercises also. Which is very good for the abdomen, especially abdomen, liver and pancreas, and especially this kind of issues. So today we are seeing that practices also. Try to sit in any comfortable surface, chair or bed or floor or any comfortable surface. While you are doing your practices, observe that your body should not get strained because of the practices. So initially create that kind of harmony between practices and between your body. Okay, now keep your body straight and take a long, deep, slow inhalation and exhalation. So as we know that we have Sitali Pranayam and Sitkari Pranayam. Sitali Pranayam and Sitkari Pranayam basically giving some cooling effect inside the abdomen. So it is already saying that in sacred Hatha Yoga Pradipaka, the sacred text, Gulma Plihadika Rogam Jwaram Pittam Kshudam Trisham. Here it is mentioned that Pittam means excess of acids. Pittam Kshudam Trisham. Vishani Sitali Nam Kumbe Kayam Nihanticha. So not only the digestive imbalances but also poisons also getting nullified because of this Sitali Pranayam. As well as Sitkari Pranayam also there. This is also almost like the same effect. Yogina Chakra Samanyaha Srusti Samhara Karakaha Nakshuda Natrusha Nidra Nayavalasyam Prajayet. So here also saying that Kshuda means especially it's a word related to hunger and the imbalances. These two pranayamas are very good for the abdominal health. So let's start our Kapalabhati. Kapalabhati also very good exercise. And then keep your right arm on the abdomen while doing your spiritual practices, while doing some of these yoga exercises. Please remember, like our palms also not really physical organ, this is also healing agents. Please remember this important point. Based on this simple logic, some of the other sciences actually got derivated from these spiritual sciences like pranic healing and this kind of acupressure and acupunctures. Okay, keep your right arm on the abdomen and with the total devotion, concentration at the abdomen, then start your Kapalabhati exercises. Only I'm giving 5 strokes for model, but when you have free time, please do it more. 1, and very slowly come back. 2, then slowly come back. 3, then slowly come back. 4, come back, then slowly come back. Last counts 5, then slowly come straight. Okay, take just long pause, inhalation and exhalation. Sthitali Pranayam, it is a tongue folding exercises, but like few people cannot fold the tongue. For them we have other exercises also. But first let us see this Sthitali Pranayam. Take your tongue completely out. Then after that fold the tongue like a dry leaf. And inhalation from the folded tongue. Close the mouth. Once gulp inside, then after that breathe out from the nose. Again take your tongue out, fold it. Then breathe out from the nose. Again breathe in from the folded tongue. Breathe out from the nose. Breathe in from the tongue. Breathe out from the nose. Again, last inhalation, breathe in from the tongue. And breathe out from the nose. Okay, take a long pause, inhalation and exhalation. And the people who cannot fold the tongue, for them also we have a simple and effective remedy. Like in pranayam size, keep your both the jaws inside together and inhalation from the edges of the teeth. And very slowly breathe out. Breathe in and slowly breathe out. Jaws together, wide your lips and slowly breathe out. Again breathe in from the teeth edges. And breathe out from the nose. Last inhalation. And breathe out from the nose. Okay. But these 2 pranayamas definitely will give the cooling sensation inside the body. But the people who are suffering from the lung disorders, or somewhat some water imbalances related to lung tissues. For them, these 2 pranayamas may not suitable. For them, some other practices will be required. But please remember, ulcer issues is a man-made mistake. Because of our own mistakes, we are suffering from these ulcers. So that try to go for your proper diet management. So 1 day total liquid diet, or you can plan liquid diet like twice or thrice in a week, but strictly no alcohol, strictly no smoking, strictly no non-vegetarians also, even no egg also, because egg will be again protein, it will stay more time inside the abdomen. So the people who are suffering from these ulcers, for them liquid diets are more suitable. If you really have a good plan to like overcome these ulcer issues, try to plan at least 21 days or 40 days special diet restrictions, liquid diets. You will not weak, but your body also like will be losing some weight because of this simple diet preparations. But after your yoga exercises, when you have free time, please take some time to go for mantra chanting, Trataka Abhyas, meditation, and after that give some time for Shavasana, Yoga, Nidra Abhyas, as well as in the afternoon also, especially before food, try to go for at least half an hour power nap or Nidra Yoga for again relaxation to the body. And try to go for early sleep. It is not recommended that late night sleep. Maybe once in a while because of your office work, that's okay. But in a regular basis, don't go for overnight sleeps. Don't late your sleep. And today evening also, if you have free time, please do these simple exercises, or you can do any of our previous schedules in our already. It has been saved in our Facebook, Embassy of India Facebook. So thanking you all to giving this opportunity to me. Thank you very much.